Hi, I'm Ayla.
I'm Alycia.
I run for Rabbit and Peninsula Distance Club in Palo Alto.
I also run for Rabbit in Sacramento Running Association, and I live in Sacramento.
Okay, so today we're cooking gyros. Chicken gyros with some like good fries inside them.
Yeah, with
some
the
people
fries
like
in
the
it.
fries outside, but we're gonna put them inside with some like tzatziki sauce and just toppings.
Yeah,
vegetables.
Should be good. Okay, so for the chicken, we're making chicken gyros, and the chicken is currently in the fridge.
Marinating.
Yes.
So the first thing we're gonna do is the potatoes, because the potatoes take the longest. So we'll wash them and then cut them as close to a French fry shape as we can get.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So.
And then we add.
And then we're gonna add. Yeah, we're gonna mix all the like stuff, the sauce stuff in there, and then pour it on top of the potatoes once they're cut. Alrighty, so we marinated the chicken for about an hour, maybe more. You can marinate it overnight too if you're
Dedicated.
Yeah, ambitious,
Doing the
but
most.
we're gonna just do an hour. And then we're gonna bake it for probably about 50 minutes, like on 425. It does bake quicker up here, so it might take 40.
Yeah, we'll probably
Hopefully.
So to make the tzatziki sauce, I'm going to use probably about a cup of Greek yogurt. I'm adding a few squirts of lemon for flavor. We're going to add some cucumber after it's finely chopped and skinned. So that's a really important ingredient for tzatziki sauce. Then we're going to add some dill weed.
And some garlic. How many cloves?
Probably we're gonna add 3 cloves.
3 cloves.
Of garlic. Or we can add some oregano too, and olive oil. We're adding olive oil. Okay, now we're gonna take our feta fries and we're gonna put them in the oven. You wanna open it? So they're gonna go in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes at 425 with the chicken. So hopefully they're done around the same time.
Okay, so the last step is toppings. You can put whatever toppings you want. We kind of just chose our toppings based off preference. We have red onion, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and tzatziki sauce.
So it's been about 40 minutes and we are taking the chicken out of the oven. The fries are also coming out of the oven and they've been in for about 20 minutes. Okay, so we heated up some naan bread in the oven, and then we're gonna plate it, add chicken, and
Add the tzatziki sauce, add the French fries,
toppings.
and then I guess vegetables. Just kidding.
I guess if you want that.
Thanks for joining us at Cooking at the Crib.
And we hope to come back soon.